Jay's first time on the plane and sleeping because last night he didn't sleep early. He was up and down. When everyone was sleeping, he was just kicking. Now, he was sleeping.
So this one chose to take the window seat, and then he fell asleep. So it should be me sitting there. So guys, I'm going to Spain for the first time. Yes, my first time in Spain. He's laughing after me because he used to Spain. Spanish man.
This time could be the norm. Na na na, this time. This time could be the norm. Na na na, this time.
Church where people are worshiping. They come here to worship. So we're in the city of Barcelona walking now. I have to park the car and walk. So I need to hold my baby because I don't want them to steal him. My baby, look at the camera. Yeah. Huh?
Sagrada Familia, that's the name of this church. This building is very, very famous, very well known worldwide. Yeah.
So people just literally come here, stand up, they look at the church and take videos. You have to pay to go inside.
Yeah, we have to pay some ticket to go inside.
You can imagine it's a church and you have to pay to go inside.
Yeah, so people in Africa or you know, black people, black nations, this is a church, but you have to pay money to go in. So the government is making money out of it. It's not individual, just an individual that go rent a warehouse and call himself a man of God and make money for himself. So this is government, state making money out of church, out of everybody. Let's see if we will end.
What's this place called?
This is a park Goel. This park is decorated, very, very touristic, and absolutely beautiful. Yeah.
We're at the main entrance in the front.
Oh, you can get the mistress.
Judah, come this way.
I mean, can we? They have the PDF. I emailed it.
Okay,
They have
which
the
one?
PDF. Doesn't matter. Tell them which ticket.
No, but there's, each one is a specific ticket, right? So we need to
So beautiful.
This time.
telling me to make it like this. Me always put my hair, right?
Also, we do have more.
So we're going under.
We're going on the boat. And we're going on the beer hunt.
Which I don't like. I don't like water.
I do.
He likes water. He's a water boy. But I don't like it.
That's why I got water in my hand right now. So that when this water finishes, so guys, that's why I have a bottle of water in my hand. So when this water finishes on that, if it finishes on the boat, I'm gonna put on the cap and then put it in the ocean, make it sail like a boat.
Oh, that you want?
I don't know why.
Christopher Columbus.
That's a big boat. The Columbus statue.
You're from here, so. Oh, turn it like this.
No, I want to tell you to start like
So we're going for this boat ride. I covered this boat with the blood of Jesus, so.
Slide down, wait. beach. That's where we were. That beach. Around somewhere here. That's where you went to make.
So where we come from?
We're coming from this side.
Oh, because I know it go like this. So it go around this thing, this mad thing, and come back around.
You see where that cable car is coming from? That's where we went yesterday to stop.
See guys, money is good. You have your own private boat, you know. Yeah.
Wow. Wow, Judah, look at that. Wow.
I'm gonna go on that when I get home.
Yeah, OJ, wow.
Judah, watch, look. Wow, speeding.
When I grow up, I'm gonna go on that with a life jacket on.
With life jacket on?
Yeah, I'm gonna go on.
Oh, you're good.
Life jacket, like jumping.
Oh, you have sense, you're smart. Is he having on a life jacket?
Yeah.
Oh.
Not for everyone though. But there is canoe on the side.
I'm saying, yeah. I'm thinking, boy, you can't talk your foolish voice.
You start behaving like Titanic.
It doesn't matter, it's still deep. Especially with people who can't swim.
Okay, look where now you can see everywhere, even higher than me.
I am Ding Ming Lee.
Wait, that one looks properly naked.
It is naked.
Naked.
No clothes.
That way.
Is it he or she?
It's shade.
Yeah. There's naked fish around there though. So July. That's my head now.
How far them ago? Wait,
Well done, your son is dancing.
how much hour? Is it 1 hour?
I don't even remember. I only got to go on the boat.
I thought we was going back.
I think so too. Well, we might find ourselves in Senegal for the next 1 hour in Senegal.
This time could be the norm. This time. This time.
Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is for Junior Pope. I'm not going to ring bell, I'm not going to throw Fanta, I'm not going to throw beer in it, but maybe stay there so that the sun will be in my front. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for Junior Pope. I'm not going to bring bell, I'm not going to throw Fanta, but I'm going to drink my beer right here. Yeah, cheers everyone. Yeah.
This time. no, 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 it's time.